some stuff from Epidemic Sound. So this is what they look like on me, guys. Not the most comfortable earbuds I've used, but definitely tight fitting. As you can see, they're not coming out of my ear at all. And, you know, do they have decent sound quality? Let's find out. All right, so far, I would really compare these. They do definitely sound better than the Apple EarPods. So the ones that you get in the box when you buy a new iPhone. So the standard Lightning EarPods that you get with a new iPhone, they absolutely positively sound better than them. And you can pick them up for about 25 bucks. But you know what? At $75, these sound pretty good. They don't sound amazing. I think you're gonna get a better listening experience if you go with the Jabra Elite 65E or the SoundSport Wireless Free. But keep in mind, those are well above the price range of a pair of earbuds like these. And you know what? These are IP57 water resistant. They have an 8-hour battery, or I'm sorry, a 7-hour battery life on a full charge, given your usage and given the conditions, you know, given that the conditions are appropriate, obviously. And you know what? They fit in your ear very well. They're comfortable. They're not the most comfortable, but they are absolutely plenty comfortable for me if I wanted to take a jog around the neighborhood right now. I could absolutely positively do that. And what's really nice is they came out of the box with a full battery, so I'm really excited about that. Guys, these are a pretty cool pair of headphones you can pick up for 70 bucks at your local Costco, which makes these headphones a big box good. These are the BackBeat 2100 series by Plantronics. You can pick them up at Costco. Make sure you have a membership card if you're gonna go to Costco. It's free to sign up, I believe, or at least it was free for me. My dad has a membership. He was able to get me in for free. Like I said, go to Costco. It's a cool store. They have tons of free samples and they have a really awesome concession stand. And while you're there, pick up these Plantronic BackBeat 2100 series, water resistant, 7-hour battery life, wireless earbuds for your iPhone or Android phone or compatible tablet, as long as it has Bluetooth. Guys, these are a really cool pair of headphones. You get this really cool color scheme here, very modern looking. Like I said, water resistant, 7-hour battery life. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video. But really cool headphones. Let's go ahead and do a sound quality test. So let's bring in the iPad here, the handy dandy iPad. And if you noticed about the box, it said that we had to download this BackBeat app here to get access to some additional functionality of the earbuds here. So we're gonna go ahead and allow analytics. We're gonna allow it to find my headset. Let's go open settings and we'll go right into Bluetooth here. And hopefully they'll come up. We've got Bluetooth on right now. Excuse me, my iPad is a bit frozen there. So we'll go activate, open settings, go Bluetooth if Bluetooth wants to work. Okay, so let's go ahead and skip this right now. We'll allow push notifications. My tap is start your favorite playlist, activate Siri, start a timer or a stopwatch, or hear the time. Your choice with a tap. Available on BackBeat Fit 2100 and 3100. Thank God we have the 2100 here, so that means we can use this My Tap functionality. And of course, with this app, you get the user guide right as you need it. So we don't need to view the user guide right now. We'll just hit done. And as you can see, the iPad is searching for the earbuds. So to power on the headset, we need to keep it within 3 meters of this device. So let's go ahead and power these bad boys on. I'm not quite sure how to. So as you can see, like I said, these are some pretty bare looking headphones, but actually if you just tap and hold down on one of these buttons right here, it turns right on. So these buttons are actually, the colored portion of the headphones are actually buttons that you can connect your headphones to. So as you saw, it connected my headphones, so we'll connect. It found them, and now it's connecting. Hopefully you guys can see this on the iPad. So it's taking just a few moments to pair here. But as you can see, they come up. This is a really nice app. This is really akin to the Bose SoundSport wireless free earbuds I reviewed about a month ago. Just the way that the software is working to connect them. And they don't look the same, but like I said, just the way that they pair and work, they are very similar to a lot of other wireless earbuds on the market. So far, I am really happy with this setup process so far. It's working out really well. And all it needs me to do is go to Bluetooth and connect to the Plantronics 2100 series headphones, and they're connected. So now we can go back to the BackBeat app, and we'll add new, and we'll make sure they get on there for good now, because there are supposed to be some extra features and things that we can take advantage of with these earbuds that I want to see about here. So, but for some reason they're not connecting right now. But anyway, let's go ahead and do a sound test with some royalty-free headphones here. So we've got the left side, we've got the right side. Let's go ahead and throw them in our ear. They fit just around the top of the ear like so. So far, they fit really well. I'm not having any issues getting them to stay on my ear. As you all know, their electronics are usually a bit cheaper than what you would normally get from another big box retailer such as Best Buy or Walmart, and that's because Costco sells everything wholesale. So naturally, because they have more inventory, they can actually bring the price down on their products. So what's really cool is you gotta just destroy this box in order to get to the headphones, unfortunately. But as you can see here on the back, I'm pretty much going right into it. So let's just go ahead and rip these things apart. And so we can get to this guy right here. And we'll bring in the handy dandy iPad in just a second there so that we can download the app. Now, so far, not too crazy of a premium unboxing experience. As you see, you have to rip off the front packaging in order to get to the actual headphones, but once you finally get to the actual headphones themselves, or the box I should say, you get a really nice quick start guide there. I don't know if you guys can see that, quick start guide. Quick start guide there from Plantronics for the BackBeat Fit 2100 series headphones. And as you can see, they are, let's see, what else do we get? We get a charging cable here. So this is USB to micro USB, which is really nice. And of course, last but not least, we get our wireless earbuds. So let's throw this. This is basically trash, and we get our wireless earbuds here. They have this, what looks to be a little, this red safety cover on here. Well, they're not safety covers. They're just actual part of the earbuds. I guess that is what helps them stay IP57 rated. So what's really cool is if you actually look at the earbud, you can see that there's a an R for the right hand side and an L for the left hand side, which is really cool. I really like these red tips. It gives them a very sporty look. So far, these are actually very durable feeling. They don't feel like they're gonna break, and they definitely do feel water resistant. There aren't a whole lot of buttons or openings on these guys where water can get in. it looks like. So guys, these are a really safe bet if you're looking for some wireless earbuds that you want to work out in, that you can maybe run in the rain with. These look like they're really nice. They have up to 7 hours battery life. And what's really cool is you get this really cool incandescent light on the back here. Just the reflectivity on it reminds me of a really cool Huawei P30 Pro or P20 Pro smartphone. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're talking about Plantronics BackBeat Fit 2100 wireless sport earbuds you can pick up at Costco for $69.99. They came out to around $75, but they are a really cool pair of wireless sport earbuds. They have always aware, they are waterproof, IP57, they have a stable fit, and you can ensure about 7 hours of listening time after one single full charge with these really awesome water resistant wireless sport earbuds you can pick up at Costco for $69.99. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and the first impressions of these earbuds. Let's go ahead and break out the handy dandy knife. Let's go ahead and turn the box over on the back here so that we can get a pretty nice attack angle here. So as you can see, it looks like we're going to need to take some scissors to these bad boys. You can pick these up at Costco, like I said, so make sure to find a mom or a dad or a friend who has a Costco membership card so you guys can go and pick these up. Make sure while you're there to grab a slice of pizza, an ice cream cone, a churro. Costco is known to have one of the best concession stands in the game. I love going to Costco, and they usually have great deals on really awesome electronics.